In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to use the wrench in LEGO Fortnite. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. The wrench is going to be a common tool primarily used to modify certain toys or things that you can use. So, for example, you will be able to modify thrusters, these levers, and other interactive objects. So I've built this extremely simple car here because I want to demonstrate how this thruster can be modified using the wrench. So, as you can see, I have two levers. Now, if I were to interact with this one by pressing E, nothing will happen. Then, if I left click it and I change the attributes here using the wrench, I'll be able to have it enable the thruster. So as you can see, now that it is connected to 3 channels, it is going to work. If I were to disconnect this thruster from all channels, it would stop working altogether. Now, let's say I leave this left switch into only the second and third channel, and then I modify this lever so it's on the first channel and this thruster so it is on the first one. As you might expect, now if I try to activate the thruster using this left-sided lever, nothing will happen. So what I have to do is activate this one. So basically, what the wrench allows you to do is filter out which specific interactive items are going to be activated using switches and other interactive toys. So as you can see, I'm going to put down maybe one more thruster here on this side, and now I can assign this thruster to either the second or third channel. That way, this lever is always going to control this one, and that other one is always going to control the small one. Of course, in this build, this very stupid, simple car that I've made, it makes no sense. But if you had something more intricate like a plane or a boat, you could steer it in multiple directions. So you could have one lever in channel 1 connected to a thruster, another lever in channel 2 connected to a thruster on the back, and then a third lever on channel 3 connected to a right-sided thruster. What this would allow you to do is steer the boat or the plane however you wish. You could enable the left thruster to turn it to a specific side and the right one to another, and the back one could be used to move it forward. This allows you to filter out specific channels in which toys will be able to interact with each other, and all that you have to do is left click. So left click on the item and you will be able to have it changed and modify the attributes for every specific interactive toy and object. I hope I was able to help you on how to use the wrench in LEGO Fortnite. So just left click, modify the channels, and you will be good to go to assign these to every single interactive toy, control item, vehicle part, and so on. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.